Oh, Blacknificent family, welcome once again to my channel. I am Bosibori Boyani, showcasing the riches and the beauty of Africa. Guys, write in the comment section, tell me, where do you want to visit in Kenya right now? Because I have a dream of visiting the whole of Africa, but right now I can only make it to go within Kenya. So tell me, where do you want to see? Which county do you want me to visit? All right, guys. So today we're going to open air market so that we can do a little bit of shopping. I love it because we get organic food, healthy and nice. Look how, green and beautiful that environment is. So I'm gonna have a walk all the way there, but when I come back home I'll use a motorbike because it's not so far, but again it's good for my exercise. Yeah, guys, so please remember to subscribe, drop a comment, tell me where you want us to visit. So family, we are finally at the SuneKa open air market. Let's go shop. No te no me te que haya ni cheng chai. Sawa bana mbali tena bana yen kuligol. Hauna kisu. Kwaongeze. Check the clouds, guys. It's almost raining. Wow. Nitakuletea nikishamaliza kutengeneza. Ni pesa ngapi?
Hiyo shilingi 1500.
Guys, si 12,000.
Pesa 400. Unakuwa? Pesa 400.
1400. Nitakupea basi 1300.
Hapana, ongeza 50.
Wewe. Saidia basi.